Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the security threat detected error in Roblox on your PC. First, you need to remove any third-party tools. If you have installed any exploit executors, mod menus, or cheat software, uninstall them now. Roblox has a strong security system, and these tools will trigger the error even if you are not using them. Next, clear Roblox temporary files. Press the Windows key and type %local app data % and press enter. After that, find a folder named Roblox and open it. Select all files inside and delete them. This will remove corrupted cache files that may be causing the issue. Now reinstall Roblox the correct way. Go to your control panel and uninstall Roblox completely. After that, download it again only from the official Roblox website or from the Microsoft Store. Do not use any third-party download sites. After reinstalling, check your antivirus and firewall. Sometimes antivirus software blocks Roblox by mistake. Temporarily disable your antivirus and try launching the game again. If it works, add Roblox as an exception in your antivirus settings. Also, make sure Roblox is allowed through your firewall so it can access the internet properly. After completing these steps, restart your PC and open Roblox again. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.